You're listening to Fluent Listening, English made simple through real-life stories. In episode 14, Going Shopping at the Supermarket, Emily and Nathan go to a local supermarket in London to buy groceries for the week. They talk about shopping lists, different sections of the store, asking for help, prices, and paying at the checkout. This is a perfect episode for learning English you can use in any supermarket or grocery store. Let's listen in.
Hi, Nathan. Thanks for coming shopping with me today.
No problem, Emily. Supermarkets can feel big and confusing at first.
Yes, this one looks huge. I'm glad I made a shopping list.
Good idea. What do you need to buy?
Just the basics: milk, bread, eggs, fruit, some vegetables, pasta, and coffee.
Perfect. That's all very common. We'll find everything easily.
Do you usually shop once a week?
Yes, I normally do a big shop on the weekend, then small top-ups during the week.
I think I'll try that too. It seems more organized.
Okay, let's grab a shopping basket. We don't need a big cart today.
Right. Basket is fine. Where do we start?
Let's start with the fresh food. The fruit and vegetables are over in the produce section.
Great. I need apples and bananas.
Apples are here, and bananas are just next to them.
Nice. I'll take 6 apples and a bunch of bananas.
Good. Now, milk and eggs are in the dairy section.
Is that down this aisle?
Yes, just go straight, then turn left. You'll see dairy on the sign above.
I see it now. This is easier with you here.
You'll learn where things are after a few visits.
I still need pasta and coffee, but I can't see them.
When you can't find something, just ask a staff member.
I'm a bit shy, but I'll try.
You can say, "Excuse me, where can I find pasta?"
Okay, excuse me, where can I find pasta?
It's in aisle 5, on the right, next to the rice.
Thank you.
See? That was perfect.
That wasn't too bad. How do I ask for coffee?
The same way. "Excuse me, where is the coffee?" Or, "Where can I find coffee?"
Excuse me, where is the coffee?
Coffee is in aisle 7 in the drinks and breakfast section.
Thanks again.
You're doing great. Asking for help saves time.
Yes, and I'm practicing my English too. There are so many brands of coffee. How do you choose?
I usually look at the price and the size. Sometimes I buy the supermarket brand. It's cheaper.
I see. This big one is more expensive, but it will last longer.
Exactly. You can also check the small price label on the shelf. It shows the price per 100 grams or per kilo. That helps you compare.
That's useful. I think I'll take the cheaper one for now.
Good choice. For pasta, I do the same. Brand isn't always important.
Do you ever look for special offers?
Yes, I look for signs like "on sale" or "2 for 1."
Okay, I'll watch for those next time.
Are you ready? Let's go to the checkout.
Do we need to queue here?
Yes, we wait in line. Then put the items on the belt.
Got it. Basket here. Items on the belt.
Hello, do you need any bags today?
Yes, please. I'll take 1 bag.
That's 35 pence for the bag.
No problem.
You can pay by card or cash.
Card is easier. I'll pay by card.
Please insert your card and enter your PIN.
Okay. Done.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
Now we just pack everything into the bag.
I'll put the heavy things at the bottom and the fruit on top.
Good idea. You're a professional shopper already.
Thanks, Nathan. That was really helpful.
You're welcome. Supermarkets feel easier each time?
I learned new words today. Aisle, basket, checkout, receipt.
Yes. And you practiced useful phrases like, "Excuse me, where can I find?" and "Do you need any bags?"
Next time, I'll try to shop on my own.
You can do it. And if you get lost, just ask a staff member.
I will. Now I have food for the week.
Great. Let's go home and put everything away.
Sounds good. Thanks again for coming with me.
Thank you for listening to Fluent Listening, Episode 14, Going Shopping at the Supermarket. In this episode, Emily and Nathan used real supermarket English, shopping lists, asking for help, talking about prices, and paying at the checkout. Let's review some useful supermarket phrases. I made a shopping list, saying you wrote what you want to buy. Where can I find pasta? Asking for a specific item. It's in aisle 5 on the right, giving directions inside the store. Do you need any bags today? Common question at the checkout. I'll pay by card. Saying how you want to pay. Here's your receipt. What the cashier says after payment. These phrases are perfect for real-life supermarket trips, role-plays in class, and everyday English practice. Stay with us on Fluent Listening as we continue exploring everyday English in real conversations. See you in the next episode.